Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy. Now welcome back to EVS class. What we have done in the last class? Tell me fast. Yes, we have done chapter 7 reading and some part is still remaining. So today we will do the reading of remaining part of chapter 7 My Neighborhood, and today we will read what are our duties towards neighborhood, what we can do for our society. Okay, so let's read the chapter and do the exercise. Yes, beta, we have done reading till this part of page 44. Today we will read people who entertain us. Yes, beta, these are the person who entertain us. Like author. Author is a person who writes the book. You read books now? You read many books. So author is a person who writes the book. Now read from here. An author or a writer writes books and stories. Yes, we all like stories and books, and author writes the books. Author is also called writer. Okay. An actor acts in movies, plays, and TV shows. Yes, beta, we all see movies and also TV serials. So, the person who acts in the movies or serials is called actor. He do acting there. And there are what is our favorite actor? Yes, like Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan. There are many actors. Okay. Singer. A singer sings songs. I have shown you beta. Singer is a person who sings the songs and entertain us. Okay. A producer makes movies or TV shows. Yes beta. The TV serials or movies which you see is produced by someone, a person who invests money in making the movie is called producer. Okay. Next, a photographer clicks pictures. Yes, a photographer is a person who clicks our pictures. I know you all like to click pictures of yourself. So, photographer clicks our beautiful pictures. Okay. Now, next page. In our neighborhood, everyone does something or the other. Yes, beta, in neighborhood, everyone do his job. One job or other job. It can be any. All types of work are important. And beta, every work is important for us. Even from a sweeper to a banker or other people. All things are very necessary. We must value and regard all kinds of people in our neighborhood. Yes beta, we must respect all the people. We must value their work. Value means हमें उनका सम्मान करना चाहिए, regard करना चाहिए. Okay? This will make our neighborhood a wonderful place to live in. Yes, if we respect all the person in our neighborhood, it will become a wonderful place जहाँ पे हम रह सकते हैं. Okay. Now, our duties towards our neighborhood. Yes, beta, in the starting I have told you we also have some duties toward our neighborhood. Okay. So, let's see what are our duties. Yes, beta. We have certain duties to make our neighborhood a better place to live in. Yes, beta. To make our neighborhood a beautiful place, a very wonderful place, we have certain duties. Okay. They are, we must keep our neighborhood clean. Yes, beta, we should clean our neighborhood. We should throw garbage in the dustbin. Should not throw garbage here or there or on the road. You can stop these type of people. Okay. The garbage from our houses should not be thrown on roads, streets, but in proper big dumping areas. Yes, beta, as I told you, don't throw garbage here or there on roads or streets Okay, you should throw it in proper dumping place provided by the municipality. Okay, we must respect all members of our neighborhood irrespective of their jobs. Yes, beta, we should respect all the persons in our neighborhood. We should not think what they do or not. We should respect all the persons. Okay, whether it is a sweeper, a aunt or maid or etc. Every people has important role in the society. Play a part to make your living place a better place. You should play a part in making your neighborhood a very beautiful and better place. Okay, beta. Now this was our chapter. Let's do this exercise, a small exercise. Find out some more helpful people around us. Yes. Who takes care of the people in an aeroplane? Yes, beta, who takes care when we go in a plane from one place to other? Who takes care of us? It is a air hostess. So write air hostess. Okay. In a plane there is a air hostess who take care of us. Who gives directions to make a movie? Yes, who gives a direction to movies? Director. A director gave all the instructions to actors and actresses. Who gives dance performances to entertain people? Yes, beta, I have shown you. Who dances for us to entertain us? Dancer. Yes. I have shown you, na? Sam sir dances very well and he is a dancer. Okay. Who fixes taps and water pipes? Yes, beta. If some problem in our water pipes or taps, plumber repair it. Okay. Write down plumber. All right. Next. Who flies a plane? Yes, beta. Who flies a plane? Can you tell me? Yes, it is a pilot. A pilot flies the plane. Okay, so this was a small exercise. Now let's do our remaining exercise. Yes, part A, tick the correct options. A postman delivers letters from home to the post office या post office to homes. यस बेटा, पोस्टमैन पोस्ट ऑफिस से हमारे घर पे डिलीवर करते हैं, घर से पोस्ट ऑफिस में. टेल मी फास्ट. सेकेंड आंसर इज राइट. पोस्ट ऑफिस टू होम्स. पोस्ट ऑफिस से हमारे घर पे डिलीवर करते हैं. ओके. अ नर्स वर्क्स इन अ हॉस्पिटल और जेल. बेटा, वेयर अ नर्स वर्क? हॉस्पिटल. वेरी गुड. A fruit seller sells vegetables or fruits? Yes, fruits. A fruit seller sells fruits. An actor acts or directs a movie? Very simple. An actor acts in a movie. Okay. Now B part, match the following. Now look. This is a doctor, postman, teacher and watchman. You have to tell where you find these people. Like where you find doctor. Tell me, in school, buildings, post office या hospital? In hospital. So write 1 in this box. Postman, where you find the postman? Post office. Very good. Where you find teacher? In school. Very nice. Where you find watchman? In buildings and flats. Outside the buildings and flats. Okay. Now we have done the match it. Let's do true false. Write T for true or F for false. Yes, true means correct. False means wrong. Now let's see. A fireman puts out a fire. Yes बेटा, क्या fireman fire बुझाता है? Yes, it is true. So you can write true. A plumber mends a broken shoe. क्या प्लम्बर आपके शूज रिपेयर करता है? No, it is false. Cobbler mends our shoes. Okay. Yes. A writer directs a movie. क्या राइटर मूवी डायरेक्ट करता है? No, writer writes the books. So it is false. A pilot flies an aeroplane. Yes, it is right. So we will write true. Very nice. Now we have done the exercise. Do this in your homework. And beta, one part is there. D part, name the profession of your father and mother. Here you will write what is the profession, what is the job of your father and mother. This is your homework. Okay, beta. Now do the exercise part. Learn it. Okay. Bye, children.